In this video, we will show you how to cancel a Disney Plus subscription on your iPhone. If you guys want to get started with Disney Plus, you can use the links down in the description. If you signed up for a Disney Plus subscription via the web, you would cancel it via the official Disney Plus website. Then, select your profile icon and choose account in the drop-down menu. Under subscription, select your subscription plan. After that, select cancel subscription. Disney Plus will try to get you to stay. Here, select continue to cancel and cancel subscription to confirm. If you subscribe to the Disney Plus on an iOS device such as an iPhone, iPad or Apple TV, cancel your Disney Plus service through your Apple account settings. To do so, open settings on your iOS device. Now tap your Apple account. In some versions of iOS, this option is cancelled Apple ID. In the next step, choose subscriptions. If you see Disney Plus on your list of subscriptions, tap on it and then tap cancel subscription. So that's how to cancel Disney Plus subscription on iPhone. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Disney Plus. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.